welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Beauty TV. It's your girl Oma here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time of stopping by here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your girl is happy and grateful. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and for stopping by on my channel. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free, people. You're not paying. YouTube is not going to charge you money for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know your opinion about my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us a simple DIY on how to get rid of those stubborn stretch marks. Like every one of us literally have one stretch marks or the other. You could have it in your hands, you could have it in your thighs, you could also have it on your butt like myself. I have mine on my butt. So I'm going to be sharing with us a simple DIY that I've been using that has been helping me out to tackle this imperfection on my skin. So the number one thing you're going to be needing is a bowl, a plate, like a bowl or a plate to get your mixture together, and a spoon to get it mixed. So, and I'm going to be introducing to you simple things you're going to be using. Like in my channel, I believe that simple does it. And if you've been following me up on this channel, I've been sharing simple DIYs, things you can get in your kitchen, things that are not too complicated, things that you don't need to break the bank to put together. So on that note, I'm going to also be sharing a very simple remedy, a very simple DIY on how to get rid of your stretch marks, on how to erase your stretch marks, on how to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your body, in any part of your body. So without much further ado, let me introduce you to the amazing things we're going to be using on this video today. So we're going to be using lemon. I've actually opened it. Like I said, this remedy is what I've been using. So we're going to be using lemon for this mixture. So my lemon is greenish in nature, is greenish in color, because here in Nigeria, this is how our native lemon looks like. So you can also use the yellow one, the one that looks more beautiful and appealing. This one also looks beautiful and appealing, so I'm going to be using it because I'm proud of my culture. So I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to be squeezing my lemon into my bowl. So I might not be taking too much of it because what I'm going to be using is something I'm going to be using for one of. Please, if you hear any noise, please, you're hearing at the background, like some people are doing some crazy things outside. So just focus on the video, don't listen to the noise outside. So we all know the so many benefits of lemon to the skin. Lemon is packed with antioxidants that is very good for our skin and for our health. You could use lemon in so many ways. You could use lemon to achieve so many great results on your body. So lemon is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C and lactic acid, which is helpful for the skin, for getting rid of dead skin cells. So, and I'm going to be combining this. I'm going to be adding one other ingredient to make this mixture very effective, because like I said, is what I've been using. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been making it, how I've been whipping it together to to apply down there to reduce the appearance and get rid of my stretch marks. So I'm going to be introducing to you the second ingredient. Like I said, we're going to only be using 2 ingredients for this DIY. So I'm going to be sharing with you or introducing to you the second ingredient we're going to be using for this DIY. So the second thing we are going to be using for this is our baking soda. Sorry, I've opened it before. We're going to be using our pure baking soda. So it is also called bicarbonate of soda. So we're going to be using it. Mixing the two together gets the job done very well. It works for me, and I also believe it will work for you. baking soda has so many health benefits, which because I don't want this video to be too long, I don't want to go into it, but you could use your Google search to know the amazing benefits of baking soda to the health. Baking soda helps for exfoliation, and what is the number one thing that you need to get rid of your stretch marks is exfoliation. If it is well exfoliated and well moisturized, I can tell you your stretch marks will disappear over time with consistency in whatever thing you are using. Like me, I've been using this for the past 3 weeks, and I can assure you that the result has been very, very, very amazing. So I'm trying to get them all well incorporated. I'm trying to mix everything together. You can see how it's bubbling up. So all you need to do right now, after getting your mixture done, after getting everything well mixed and incorporated, so what you need to do, what you need to do is to apply it on those areas where you have your stretch marks. I'm going to be using my hand to demonstrate on how to apply this on the areas where you have stretch marks. Like I said, I have mine on my butt, and I'm not going to be showing my butt on the camera so that YouTube will not flag my video. So what I'm going to use in my hand to demonstrate to us how I apply this on the areas where I have my stretch marks. So I take some amount of the mixture, then I apply it in a circular motion. I massage it very well in circular motion on the areas where I have the stretch marks. I apply it consistently. I do this 3 times in a week, morning and night. I do this morning and night for 3 days in a week, and I've been consistent with it for the past 3 weeks now, and I've been seeing tremendous results. So I apply this on my skin like this, and I'll leave it for 20 minutes before I wash it off. Then after washing it off, I go on with it with a good moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm also using is also a DIY that I made by myself. So maybe in the next video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my DIY, the things I use for moisturizing my stretch marks after scrubbing it, after exfoliating it. The next thing that follows suit, and it's been helping me out. So I'm going to leave this on my skin for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes I'm going to be washing it off. Then after washing it off, I go over with it. I apply my moisturizer on it to keep the place well moisturized and glowing, keeping it supple and moisturized. These are the things that has been helping me out. So if you're going to be trying on this remedy, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And I'm going to be stopping this video here because I don't want the video to be too long, like I said before. So I'm going to be stopping the video here. So try this remedy. These are simple things that we all have in our kitchen. So try this remedy and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your experience using it. Let me know the result you've gotten so far using it. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.